got been busy at work, so actually got some time today. My boy AD came by and helped me get it set up on the welder. So let's get this thing going. Like we're almost there. Got a couple of gaps I got to fill here. Not too bad. Got it all sealed up. Got a couple of gaps I got to fill here. So we'll finish that up now. Everybody, so just got through welding up the downpipe for the exhaust manifold, the manifold here. This is what it looks like after the weld. It looks like it's gonna hit my AC line right there on that bend, so I'm gonna have to bend this or bang it just to clear it out, so whenever I bolt it up it doesn't touch the AC bracket there. Let me see if I can show you guys what I'm talking about. Alright, so it's going to be bolted up like that, and just get my hand out the way, and look at that, it's touching the AC line there. So we got to bend that in a little bit so it don't touch that when it rattles or when it drives. Yeah, altered sound, a lot of vibration. So let's continue bending this up a little bit more and then bolt it on. Alright everybody, got the flange on there. I'm just tightening everything up. Did have to beat it a little bit just to get that corner to make it past this AC line down here. But it looks like we're going to get this thing bolted on now. So got KG and IJ over here also. They got their forklift over there. They're working on it. They're taking it apart. We're going to do a little bit of welding for them also. So KG just took everything off of this four-wheeler here, and we're gonna go ahead and grind a little bit of metal here. He wants to put this exhaust on here, this exhaust tip that he just put in there. So we're gonna grind this up to get a little bit better of a contact so we can get a good weld. And it looks like this bracket here broke off, so we're gonna weld that bracket back on there as well. Here's the piece right there, kind of went just like that. Boom. We're just gonna put that right back where it goes. All right, set you guys up. Got both of those on there. The exhaust has been welded on. All right, there we go. Let's let this thing cool down and then we'll give it a start. Alright guys, just putting in the battery now. We're about to give this thing a little start up so we can hear it. Uh-oh, what's the battery sound like that? Looks like they got that thing running and going. Got the also spray painted the muffler black. Looks pretty good. Sounds really good. Cool beans. All right, guys. So now I just got the jump box on the battery there, and then we jumped it up. The battery was dead. Apparently, I left the keys in it all night long. So now we got everything bolted on. One of my bolts did snap. So I'm gonna leave that alone until we get another bolt to put in there. I'll have to pull that one out. But yeah, sounds pretty good. A little bit quieter than what it was.